Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you planning a trip abroad, maybe to Italy? Well, I want to show you these Type L plug adapters. So these are super handy to have. These are from Ceptics, and I purchased these for a trip to Italy so that I was able to use all of my US plug devices and not have to worry about it. So they are so simple to use. They're super lightweight. You also get a pack of 3, which is great. So you have plenty of them. So if you have your phone and some other things that you want to use, you can definitely do that. So really easy to use. You just insert this end of the plug into the wall where you're going on vacation or whatever. And then on the back, you have the ability to place a 2 or a 3 prong US plug in the back. So such a simple, easy way to have what you need while you are traveling. And it just gives you peace of mind. You're not going to be without your phone or without your camera or whatever you need. So it is awesome. I would definitely recommend these plug adapters, and that's my point of view.